Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to install games on your Epic Games launcher to another drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have on your Epic Games account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, let's say this is the game right here that we want to install to another drive. So guys, when installing you're not sure how to select another drive, then I'll be showing you right here. So let's go ahead first and uninstall this game right here. So uninstalling the game guys, now you'll be given the option to install it again, and I'm going to be showing you how to select another drive. So guys, go ahead and click on the game that you want to install. As you can see, it has already found the drive where it wants to install, and here you cannot edit anything. So guys, how do you edit it? Well, all you have to do guys is go ahead and click this browse button right here at the right side of the name of the folder. Go ahead and click on that guys, and then you want to go ahead and find the drive where you want to install it. Let's say this is the drive where I want to install it right here in this folder. I'm going to select this folder right here, and then I'm going to click on install. And after clicking on install guys, now this will successfully start installing the game in the different drive that I have selected, and after it is finished, it will be changed to the drive that you have selected. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.